you could use pallets for, but what can't you use them for? Hi guys, and thanks for stopping by. Today I'm showing how I use pallets to add a roof onto this chicken coop. These are the slats off a pallet that I cut out. I didn't try pulling them out because the ends only break off. Cut them out. I use the pallet 2x4s for the supporting members. Now let me show you what this is all about. Last summer, this chicken coop was given to me. People no longer have chickens and they just want to get rid of it. This is a store-bought coop, and what they did for extra room, they added this extra compartment onto it. The problem with this was they used this particle board, and when the water sat on top, it started warping and leaking. What I did yesterday was to tar this top, then I added a layer of tar paper. This was all the material that I had from previous jobs just laying around. I spent nothing on this other than time. Even the nails were reused. And this is waterproof up here right now, but I wanted it slope on top so any snow or rain doesn't rest on this. And here's a problem that I have. When they built this extension on, they just had a piece of wood that rested up against here to close it off. And when you open this, you would have to remove that piece of wood. So I can't nail that wood on the outside of it. I'm going to have to nail it on the inside. And I wanted to cover it because I didn't want water just dripping off and getting in there. I want to make this accessible. So what I did, I made this top. It's going to be a little difficult using one hand. I made this top where I can slide it all the way over to cover this part so the water doesn't drip in. And when I want to open this, I just can slide it right over. And I kept in mind, because the studs going across, I have it so when I slide them over, they'll still be resting on the 2x4s here. These are screwed in. These I just have thrown on. I'm not sure how much of a pitch I want on this, so these right now are temporary. But again, this was all done with pallet wood that was laying around. And to get that warp out, this is a mess in here. Had some ice come in during the winter. I have a couple traps, caught a few. This roof was bowed in, and what I did, I just piled up some wood over here, used this car jack, and I pushed it up, and every couple of days I just raised it a little more, and it leveled out. So with no weight going on here and no water going on here anymore, it should stay that way. Another thing I'm going to do with pallet wood, these beams came off long pallets. They're two different sizes. Not sure which size I'm going to use, but I want to put them under this coop. The frame really isn't made to move around. This is more of a cage than it is a coop. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to attach two of these, one on each side, to the bottom, and then I'm going to add wheels to the back so I can move this coop around. I'm going to add two of these beams to the bottom of the cage, and then I'm going to use wheels. I believe I'm going to take them off of one of the lawnmowers that are discarded. I'm going to add wheels to the back and a handle in the front where I could drop the wheels when I want to move it, lift it up, and move this around. But that's a project for another day. Well guys, if you found this video useful, let me know by posting your comments down below. Give it a like, and if you haven't done so already, subscribe. Until next time, stay safe.